Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this September the 2nd, 2023. I'm hoping everybody's having a great Saturday out there so far. Everybody has a great Saturday afternoon. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the tropics here across the lower 48. Also, we're going to take a look at the information on Tropical Storm Katia. Also, we're going to take a look at the information on Tropical Storm Tropical Invest 95L, which is located off the African coast, which looks to become a major hurricane later on down the road. Also, we're going to take a look at the National Weather Service radar across the nation, and also we're going to take a look at the watches, warnings, and advisory map for your location across the nation. So stick around to the entire video and do not miss a beat of this forecast. Okay, if you're a new viewer and have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and don't forget, before you leave this video, folks, smash the subscribe button. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet. That way you'll get a chance to view my forecast twice per day, as I do it daily, unless something comes up that I cannot be on here to do it. Alright, but anyway, it's a little better organized this afternoon. It's going to continue to move on off to the north and east, and may affect portions of the Newfoundland region and maybe St. John's area later on down the road. There goes the remnants of Franklin moving on out of the picture. Here's the remnants of Jose moving on out of the way. Here's Tropical Storm Gert. Gert's going to continue just kind of meander right there. And he'll slowly here. Katia pretty well organized this afternoon. Got a little system there moving down towards Africa. Got this little African wave here moving on. This is the one that looks to become a major hurricane. Right now it's currently 95L in the tropical Atlantic. Got a little system here in the Caribbean Sea trying to produce some showers and storms, but nothing organizing. Some showers and storms over the Bahamas and Cuba, and also some more showers and storms moving through the Caribbean. Also over here in portions of the Gulf of Mexico, got some showers and storms there as well. Now we've got some showers and storms down across South America into Central America, and got this little wave here that may become something later on down the road as it pushing on back to the west. Here's a little system here bringing some showers and storms to portions of the Gulf Coast states. Florida, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, and Louisiana, bringing some showers and storms for you guys. Another little system across the north. We'll continue to move on off into the northeastern United States later today. Alright, let's move on to the tropics here. Here is Tropical Storm Katia. As you can see, Katia looks pretty well organized this afternoon. Got a lot of convection blowing up around in the center of the storm as well. Alright, let's take a look at the forecast cone from the National Hurricane Center. Okay. Alright, here we go. Alright, this is 2 p.m. Saturday, Atlantic Standard Time here. This is current position of Tropical Storm Katia. Katia looks to remain a tropical storm through 11 p.m. Sunday evening, and then become just a tropical depression, regular post-tropical depression by by Monday. So Katia is not going to last much longer. She'll last over the weekend, and then that's about it. Alright, if you tracking Katia at home, it's located in latitude 23.9 north, longitude 29.7 west. Maximum sustained winds are near 50 miles an hour with higher gusts, and movement is to the northwest at 12 miles an hour. Like I said, it's classified as tropical storm, extending from 39 to 73 miles. Let's take a look at the we're going to take a look at the computer models of the storm. These are the hurricane models here. As you can see, here's the hurricane models. This is current position. Keeps it going to about 48 to 72 hours out. Then it kind of just wants to send it all different directions as it gets on out there about 96 to 120 hours out. Some wants to take it back to the west. Some wants to just kind of just meander it right there. So we'll just have to wait and see what Katia wants to do. Alright, let's take a look at the intensity guidance of the storm. As you can see here, about 45 knots wind, so that's why it equals up 50 miles per hour. Pretty much all of them keeps it a tropical storm and then drops it off to a tropical depression. About 48, some of them even takes it out about 36 to 168 hours out, dropping it down to a tropical depression. That's why the National Hurricane Center went that direction. Alright, let's move on to Invest 95L. As you can see here, here's Invest 95L. Here's the west coast of Africa right here. Too far south to see the Cabo Verde Islands. They to the north there. But anyway, as you can see that the storm is kind of not well organized, but it's getting its act together. So it should not be too long before it will become tropical depression and maybe tropical storm Lee later on down the road. Alright, so let's take a look at some information on 95L. We'll take a look at the computer models. We don't have the hurricane models yet, but we'll take a look at the GFS ensembles. We can use them there for right now till the National Hurricane Center gets their models up and running. Alright, right now it's currently about a 10-11 millibar storm. Most of the computer models, some of the computer models takes it north of the Leeward Island. This is the Leeward Islands right here. Some of them takes it pretty close to it. Gives y'all a grazing blow. You know, with some tropical storm force wind, hurricane force winds as well. So that's why if anybody in the Caribbean islands from Puerto Rico, also the Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, the Leeward Islands here down toward Tobago and areas, regions as well, y'all need to be on the lookout there as well as this system continues to push in that direction. Alright, let's take a look at the, we're going to try to see if we can get into the intensity guidance. This thing kind of ramps it up pretty quick according to this intensity guidance here. As you can see, it's 25 knot winds, about 48 to 72 hours out, or 84 hours out. It ramps it up to a tropical storm. Then it continues to ramp on up into a Category 1 hurricane, and it heads almost into a Category 2 about 168 hours out. That's why we're expecting this thing to be a long track hurricane. Not only me seeing this personally, other YouTubers as well is seeing this as well. So we're all in agreement that this looks to be a long track, long range hurricane. I would not be surprised to see this thing head toward the Bahamas or maybe toward the southeastern United States. Can it turn before it gets to the United States? There's a possibility if a cold front comes in and pushes this thing out to sea. But we'll have more information as it gets closer to the event. Right now, it's still way over there near Africa right now. So we're just going to keep an eye on it as it continues to progress to the west, northwest, across the tropical Atlantic. Alright, that was your tropical update. Here's a look at the National Weather Service Doppler radar. We're fixing to pull up some information here as soon as it loads in the station across the board. Alright, it's loading up precipitation across the board now. Alright, we got some showers up here around Lake Heron and Lake Huron or Heron or something like that. Up in the Great Lakes region across Michigan. Also a little bit over here just south of Ottawa, Canada, and also in the port of New York State, and also in the port of Vermont. We got some up here in Wisconsin, showers and storms there as well. Some over here in portions of Minnesota, also in the South Dakota as well. Alright, here we go. We got some showers and storms. Let me pull it down just a little bit. We're going to try to get southwest. Here we go. We got it. We got a little bit of showers up here just northeast of Portland, Oregon, and Washington State. There's some off the coastal area. We got some showers and storms also extending from southern Oregon down towards Sacramento, California, just northeast of Fresno, and also east of San Francisco. Showers and storms over southern Idaho, down in Nevada, just a little bit around Las Vegas. Also some just northwest of Phoenix. Also scattered showers and storms starting to develop in the portion of Arizona as well. Alright, let's move on over to the southeastern portion of the United States. As you can see here, we got some showers and storms over in Oklahoma City, the southwest. Also over here in Portland, Louisiana, down in the Gulf of Mexico. Showers and storms down here around New Orleans, Louisiana, and also in the Panhandle of Florida as well in the Gulf of Mexico. Some scattered showers in ports of Mississippi and Alabama as well. Also in the Big Bend area of Florida, major hurricane storm Idalia. Excuse me. And then got more showers and storms over Florida, down toward the Miami area, also in the ports of Cuba as well. The Bahamas and the San Juan, Puerto Rico, Port-au-Prince, Haiti, all y'all look good. Kingston, Jamaica looks good as well right now in your region. Alright, and finally we're going to wrap it up with the watches, warning, and advisory. Map coming up now, folks. Alright, here we go. Alright, as you can see here, we got some special weather state in Port of Iowa as well. We got some air quality alert for you guys in Port of Oklahoma, Northeast Texas, South Texas, Southeast Texas. Flood watches in effect reported in the Panhandle, Florida. A special marine warning there as well. Alright, special weather statement for Southeast Texas. Also, we got some air quality alerts for Port of California. Also, we got flood watches in effect for Nevada, portions of Southern California, portions of Arizona, and also into portions of Utah as well in Northern California. Alright, the Hawaiian Chain Islands, central and north looks good. The south side got a few gale warnings. We still got the flood watches, wind advisory, special weather statement for central and eastern Alaska, southwest Alaska, special weather statement, and around the Alaska area. We got some gale warnings in effect for area waters there as well. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Everybody continue to stay safe and well. Enjoy the weather. It's the only weather you got. Like these videos, share these videos. Consider subscribing if you have not. And we'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful Saturday afternoon, folks.